Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 9X Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which looks like it's actually not here by default. So you can tap on this pencil and look for the toggle right here. So we do have a ultra power saver right here, so you can grab it, drag it over to the top, and now you can easily access it from your notification panel. Now the one that we have right here is the kind of like a power saving mode on steroids, which you will see once you enable it. It basically removes background, lowers your brightness to oblivion, and gives you only the primary applications that you will most certainly need. Now this is the I prioritize battery life over everything else mode. So if this isn't really your kind of speed, you can leave it by tapping right here. And there is also this mediocre power saving mode, which you can access by going into the settings and then finding the battery section. There we go, battery. And in here you can see we have the power saving mode and the one that we have actually enabled. Now you can obviously see that the one that the normal power saving mode doesn't really give you that much. We are right now sitting on 14 hours and 40 minutes of battery life remaining. With a normal mode. If we turn on the power saving mode, we will be on 18 hours and 30 something minutes. So we only get 4 additional hours of battery life. That is not much, but when you compare that to the ultra power saving mode, and now this gives you 50 additional, or not additional, but 50 hours of battery life instead of the 14 or close to 15 that we are having. So if you really want to save your battery, this is probably the mode that you want to select. Obviously, when the device is more than halfway charged, full, and instead of 50 hours, this will show more like 100 hours of battery life instead. And the normal power saving mode doesn't do that much. The lower the battery is, the lower the actual number difference here will be, so it's not as good. So anyway, now one more additional thing that I will add, separate from the actual power saving toggles right here, is the dropping of brightness. There's a couple toggles additionally that are turned on, like NFC, which you could turn off to gain some battery life. Additionally, disable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Choose only one, not both. But by dropping your brightness, you will gain additional battery life. As you can see right now, we are sitting at 17 hours of battery life instead of the 14 that we had. And if I max it out, we are gonna be sitting on, give it a second, it hasn't actually, okay, so there we go, it finally updated. So with max brightness we're sitting at 7 hours, and as you've seen, if we just drop it halfway, we're looking at 16 hours, and if you want to drop it even lower, we're now looking at 17. Okay, now I can't even see the display, so to the point that I can't see it, we're looking at 17 hours and 4 minutes. And this is strictly just by dropping the actual brightness. I'm not even running power saving mode. So you can apply this also to power saving mode. So as an example, you enable this, and this will give you 20 hours now. Obviously, if you max out the brightness a little bit further, it will give you less. So instead of 20, we're already at 19. So yeah, now you get the point. By lowering the brightness, you get more battery life, and that battery life is quite significant, to be honest. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.